Hey everyone, I'm Joy Mala and today I'm going to take you through how to successfully start your design career in 2024. If you're new to the world of product design or wondering where to start, this video is for you. If I were starting my design career this year, the first thing I'd do is learn Figma. Because Figma is the mainstream design tool right now and it's incredibly powerful. You don't need to learn a bunch of other software. Figma allows you to design everything from wireframes to high-fidelity prototypes all in one place. Here's how to start. Recreate existing wireframes. Begin by studying the design of apps you use daily, like Instagram, or more complex B2 billion tools such as Salesforce. Low-fidelity prototypes. After wireframing, move on to creating basic functional prototypes. Focus on linking screens together so that clicking a button takes you to the next page. But high-fidelity prototypes, this is where you perfect your designs, ensuring everything is pixel perfect. Your goal is to make your prototype so seamless that it looks like a finished product. As you dive deeper into Figma, there are 3 critical skills you need to master. Alignment tools, these help you ensure everything is perfectly positioned. Components, reuse design elements across your project to save time. Auto layout, this streamlines your design process, especially for responsive layouts. Get familiar with design systems. Design systems are like templates that help tech companies maintain consistency across their products. While many design systems are in-house, you can explore resources available in the Figma community. Pick a popular design system like InDesign and rebuild an existing product page using it. You'll learn how different systems impact the final look while maintaining the same functionality. Choose the right first project. When you're ready to tackle your first real project, don't design a food delivery app, ride-sharing app, or an e-commerce platform. These markets are already dominated by companies with massive design teams. Instead, focus on something smaller and more manageable. My advice, choose a specific feature of an existing product and improve it. Make sure you can explain how your changes will enhance the user experience and benefit the company. Write a PRD, which means Product Requirements Document. This may sound overwhelming, but writing a Product Requirements Document PRD is crucial. The PRD helps you organize your thoughts and ensures you design with purpose. Even though this is usually the job of a product manager, you should learn how to do it yourself. And if you get stuck, ask ChatGPT for help. Organize your Figma files. Before sharing your work, ensure your Figma files are well organized. This means documenting your design process, adding annotations, and keeping your latest designs front and center. A well-organized Figma file can serve as a portfolio in itself. Finding your first client. Now that you've built your skills, it's time to find a real client project. Don't worry if you don't have a traditional portfolio yet. A well-organized Figma file can act as a powerful showcase of your work. Outreach tip. When reaching out to potential clients, offer value upfront. Instead of saying, "I'd like to help with your product design," tell them how you can improve their product. For example, if they have a landing page, suggest ways you can increase their conversion rate by tweaking the design. Build your portfolio website. Once you land your first client project, it's time to create a professional portfolio. I recommend using Framer. It's an AI-powered tool that makes building a responsive portfolio website easy, and it's much simpler to use compared to Webflow or Wix. Tips for your portfolio: showcase the process, not just the final design. Keep it under 10 pages, focus on quality over quantity. Highlight the before and after impact of your designs. Landing a full-time job as a product designer at top tech companies like Google or Microsoft can be tough. Don't hesitate to start with a contract role instead. Contract jobs often provide the same type of projects and learning experiences as full-time positions, but they're easier to secure. Plus, working with different companies gives you exposure to various design systems, helping you become a more flexible and skilled designer. Be patient with your journey. Finally, I want to leave you with one important piece of advice: be patient. Social media and YouTube can make you feel like everyone is rushing to become a designer in a matter of months. But remember, everyone's journey is different. Focus on what you can control and keep improving your skills. That's it for today's video. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on future design tips. See you next time.